welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today we're going to go ahead and work on some parts. So, what we can go ahead and do is go into Workspace and press plus button and insert a part. From there you can click on your part and on your keyboard you can press F. It will zoom you into your part and then from there you can go ahead and do scale. Scale it to whatever size you want. We're just going to go ahead and make this a certain size for this tutorial. So there we go. So what we're going to do with this part here is we can name it color part because we're going to go ahead and change the color of it. So how we can do that is with scripts, and I will show you how to do that now. So what you can do is go to color part, press the plus button, and insert a script. So your basic script is going to have your print hello world. You can go ahead and delete that and leave it blank for a second. So your color originally is this gray color here. It's going to be this 163, 162, 165. So we want to change that color to whatever color that you want just by clicking on it. So actually, I got to close script and insert one. Jesus. What? There we go. Okay, sorry about that. Got to insert, okay, click on your color part, press the plus button, insert click detector from your click detector, press the plus button and put in your script. I apologize about that. So, you can go ahead and delete your hello world, and from there, you can go back to your part. So, your part's this gray color. Let's go ahead and clean up the console. Your part is this gray color here. We want to change it to any random color, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. So, what you want to do is script.parent dot mouse click and then colon connect and then function and then there we go, press enter, and then what you want to do is if mouse if script dot parent dot mouse click, then so what that's going to do, and we'll make it a print statement for uh this part here, so we can do uh this is so rad, whoops, rad, this works. There we go. All right, so basically what should happen is if we click on the part, so if we click on this, then we should get this print function down here in the console. So we can go ahead and press play, and then we'll go ahead and walk on over to the part. Let's see if we got any errors. We don't have any errors. Perfect. All right, so what should happen is we should be able to click on this part, and then we should get that print statement we had. So as you can see, we got that print statement. This is so rad, this works. So that's awesome. So we can go ahead and do some other things from there now that we know that that works. So what you can do is what you want to do is try to get the color, or you want to get the color of your part first. So what we're going to go ahead and do is if script.parent.mouse click, then if script.parent.parent.parent.part, I think. Oh no, whoops. I forgot I renamed it. Okay, so dot color part. Nope. Sorry about that. Dot parent dot color part. There we go. Dot color part. Let's see. Dot color, and then we're gonna do equals color 3 dot new. Whoops. We're gonna put a second equal sign in there, and then we'll go ahead and copy this 163, 162, 165, and then we'll paste it inside this color 3 dot new. That way we get the color that we have here. So basically what it's going to say is if it is gray, then, and then from there we can go ahead and do another print function, and we could do this block is gray. There we go. And then we can go ahead and press play. And what should happen is now when we click on it, the part should understand that Oh yeah, I am gray. So here I'm gonna spit out the print function. So when you click on it, uh, did I do it wrong? Apparently I did. Okay, so if three dot, no, whoops, from RGB, then there we go. Uh, script that. Yeah, that should work. Let's see. So now if we click on it, we should get the function, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, I just had it wrong. That's on me. So yeah, this block is gray. So instead of new, which I understood from the beginning that that means like you want a new color, and this is your from, meaning your original color, like what color you have here. So we can go ahead and press stop. And then anyways, so now that we know that that works, what we can do is now that we know that if script.parent.parent.parent.color equals color3 dot from RGB, and then you do 163 comma 162 comma 165, then if so what we're going to do is we're going to call back the mouse click for a second time so that the first original time when you click on it, it's going to understand, okay, this part is gray, and then it's going to read the next line that, oh, if you clicked it and then you want it to change to a different color. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do here. So you're going to do if script dot parent dot mouse click then, and then you're going to want to do script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot color part dot color equals color 3 dot new. And then from there, we can go ahead and do, let's go ahead and do a blue. Actually, let's make it a bright blue. There we go. And then we can go ahead and press play and see if it works. See if we have any errors in our console. No errors. So far, we should be good. All right, so what should happen is now it should understand that this part is gray when we click on it, and then it's going to want us to change it to blue. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it changed to blue. So that is pretty cool. You can use that as a few different functions. You can use it as a click function or a touched function.